Okay, so we got a Vincent Black Shadow in the shop right now. What's this here?
That's the complete front end with the upper frame member, which is the engine oil tank at the same time. So the way the bike comes apart, you just take the whole front end with the oil tank off, and then you can get the cylinder bells and heads off the bike.
Okay, here's the rest of the bike over here. And the cylinder heads and barrels and everything are out. Right now, top end job is being done on the bike. And
Yeah.
here they are.